I have a husky and she actually likes to ride in the back. See? There's still remnants of her. Well, I was actually sent this vacuum cleaner, handheld vacuum cleaner, so I can actually see how well it's going to do with my husky. So let's go ahead, let's see what comes inside the box and we'll test it out. All right, so this, as you can see, is what we're dealing with. So we have the actual device, we have a user's manual, we have all kinds of different attachments. Looks like we got a filter already put in here. I got a filter in here. I am beyond excited. All right, so let's go ahead and actually see how we use this, because this is gonna be the true test. All right, so to install it, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our vacuum here. We're going to get one of these filters and we're going to use this one. I think we're going to end up changing these back and forth, but hey. All right, so this particular model will actually blow and vacuum. So where you actually put your attachments is what it's going to do. So we want to, and I'm looking here at the directions, and as you can see where this is kind of how we're going to know what we're doing. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and our filter, it goes in here something like this. And then this goes on top and actually will lock into place. So let's go ahead and put our filter in properly. And then we're going to lock that into place like that. This is our power button right here. Press and hold and it turns on. Hold it again, it goes higher and higher. All right, so again, I don't know how well this is going to work, but we're gonna give it a shot. All right, so here's what I think we're gonna do. So I had to really think about this because as you can see, it's a little bit wild. So I think we're gonna be able to use this for some of it, but then I'm gonna have to use this for the rest of it. Now, before we get started, I did wanna say that there is a charging cable that came with this. It's a USB to a USB-C, and you do also have a carrying case. All right, you ready? Let's do it. All right, let's go. So this is on low. It's getting some. Let's go on high. All right, well, this may also not be the right attachment for us. So I think what we're gonna do is we're going to try maybe one of these brushes and see if that works. So if we're gonna do that, let me see. Yep, okay. So all I did is just put the brush right inside of this. We're gonna go ahead and lock this in again. Let's find out. That's working a little bit better. See? Medium. high. All right, not bad. So if you were wondering if it was actually doing something, the answer is yes, it is. There's just so much hair that it is going to take me quite a while, but it does work. All right, so we're gonna go and take a different method. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try to blow air out and see if that is going to help some of this, and then we'll vacuum up what's left. So as you can see, hair was flying around everywhere. So we have a few different things that we can use to try to get up this hair. But this is a lot of hair, a lot of hair. So my final verdict, yes, it works, but it's going to take a while, but it works.